Hi everyone, welcome to SAM Data Services. Now that you have successfully installed text to word converter, let us see how you can activate its license. Text to word converter handles text to doc, docx and vice versa conversions effortlessly. Perfect for converting multiple files at once. So let us see its activation process. First, open text to word converter. Here you can see there's an email field. Fill in your email address. Then click on Generate License Request File and save it to your computer. Now, head over to SAM Data Services, go to Products and click Text to Word Converter Software. Here you can see there is a button Buy License. Click on that. This will take you to the license page where you can complete your payment. First, choose the file that you have saved. Now, fill in the rest of the form, your name, your email address, your country code, and your phone number. Your company's name, address, and if you have any message. Coming to the payment methods, SAM Data Services offers wide range of payment methods. So choose whichever is suitable to you and click on I agree terms and conditions. Then click on place order. This will take you to the payment gateway. Click on pay with Razorpay. After successful payment process, you will receive the license key via email. Check your email. Then launch text to word converter. Click on browse button. Select the license file that you have saved. And open the file. Then click on OK button. That's it, your license is now activated. Start converting your files with ACE. Stop wasting time on manual conversions. Text to word converter streamlines your workflow and boost your productivity. Get text to word converter today. Link in the description. Like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.